Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to summarize an article in ChatGPT. To summarize an article in ChatGPT, first of all, make sure that you copy the article you want to summarize from a website or document and then open up the ChatGPT app on your device. Once you're in this conversation box, go ahead and write down or paste in the article. Now once you do that, go ahead and say a prompt like summarize this article. After you do that, simply go ahead and send in the prompt by tapping on the arrow button at the bottom right. ChatGPT will generate a summary for you in a few seconds. If you want the shorter version, you can type in make it even shorter in the text box at the bottom. You can also summarize it as bullet points. Simply go ahead and ask ChatGPT to do that by typing in the prompt in the text box, and that way you will be able to summarize an article easily and quickly within few seconds. Now you know how to easily summarize any article using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tech tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye till then.